Hey YouTube, Kimber Zellick here. Welcome to my channel. Help me grow my channel. I'm tapping this piece of brass, half 13. I got this started with the tailstock and a drill chuck. And not sure, no particular plans for this. I actually going to demonstrate something else, and I guess what this is a compound threading, let's call it. So let me get a little shot of air in there. And so now I have my my thread checker there. Okay, no surprise there. No surprise there. Now, what I'm really wanting to demonstrate to you is my newest contraption. And that would be my drill post, my tool post drill. And I'm a little awkward with it. I've never really put this on here before, not quite like this. Okay, we'll get that tightened down. Now, I've already drilled and tapped 4 holes around here, 90 degrees. I tapped it at 256. And how this works is not sure how much of that you're seeing, yeah. So, yeah, I just kind of eyeballed it. I drilled a hole I know was perpendicular to my shaft, my spindle. And then I just kind of brought it up to 12 o'clock. I stuck a pin in there and just kind of eyeballed and just went around every 90 degrees. And I had no intention of tapping it, but it turned out that the drill that I was using was very close to the drill needed for that 256, and which happened to be happened to be a number 50 drill. So it's actually quite a bit larger than the number 50, but I had a tap laying around, so I tapped it. So anyway, my tool post drill, I had originally blued this piece. Let me take the drill off of this, and it's a Jacob's chuck number 1A. Goes from 0 to 1/4. It's got a 1/2 inch straight shank. Now originally, I had blued this piece to go onto my tool post and then to engage into the aluminum block. But as it turns out, I was 25-30 thousandths too high. I ground the surface down to lower the tool post, the tool holder, but I didn't want to take too much meat away from that, so I ended up with just using a thinner steel bar, which I have 2 grub screws down in there holding that on. I may screw that in permanently at a later date. I have a little clearance here for the nose of my drill machine. So it looks like this. So I can go in and out like that. I got about 3/4 of an inch of travel, which is just fine. I'm not sure, if I'll ever even have a call to use this, but I was assured by Craig Tate that once I had it, I'd never look back. So here's my little project. Let's see if we can catch these are the 2 threaded holes. Okay guys, help me grow this channel. Hit the like button, subscribe. If anybody has stickers they would like to send me, or if they would like some of my stickers, my email is generally embedded in the video information somewhere. It's kimberzelic@icloud.com. Please like and subscribe, tell a buddy, and bring a friend.